Hi, this is Log 5, the last one of the series. We've looked at the vision for Refuel, we've looked at what it's going to look like, and we've looked at the outcomes.
Yeah, and we've got the last question, which was how can it benefit the whole church across the nation? Throw it back to Craig and see if you can answer that question.
Well, the first thing, get involved. We want and hope and pray that the entire spectrum of church would support this thing and become involved. So encouraged that the Church of Scotland in Morayshire and the Presbyterian Church in Morayshire came together last year and took on a marquee. That's the kind of thing we're looking at, making sure that the entire church is represented at Refuel. So the benefit of that, I think, well, we know it's biblical, that unity commands a blessing. And I won't even begin to describe what could happen to the churches in Scotland if they could trust this thing, see that it is good, see that it is for them, and get behind it. So I just know that the benefit of the church will be supernatural, and we just pray that you'll get involved. And I think lastly, Denise and I would just like to say, we're just a bunch of volunteers called to do this thing that we've been told can't be done. And we're just, in year 3, we're praying that we will have adequately explained who we are, what the vision is, and how it can serve all of you, how it can serve the entire church. That is our genuine heart. So would you, in this year 3, trust us, understand us, see that it has a calling and a mission in Scotland, and maybe stand with us that it can be done, that unity can break out in greater measure, and that we will see and experience such perfect unity that the world will know that He sent you.
And just to finish, just to say that there's other voices in Scotland. God is speaking to lots of people about the whole idea of unity and the purpose of unity. We're hearing a lot from leaders too. So this is not just something that we've plucked up. This is something that we believe that God is doing in Scotland. And we just ask that we need you to get behind us, to support this and to be part of it, because I believe that God is doing something really important with it.
So on behalf of Refuel, Village Season Trust, and all the volunteers that enjoy making this happen for the church and for the nation,
and for God,
we thank you for tracking with us. And please get in touch, ask any questions you have, and please perhaps share what we're doing and see His name glorified in this country in a way like never before. Thank you.
Thank you.